Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's one we're going to be talking about what is happening in the Dubai market. Is there going to be a crash? Are things slowing down? What's happening to the population? All that stuff. First things first, the market right now is being very strong. It's been performing very strong since the end of last year. Q1, Q2 of this year has been very strong, and I think Q3 and Q4, as you guys very well know, some of the larger projects that the developers keep are going to be coming up towards now, Q3 and Q4. So this is going to be happening now. And don't forget, a lot of the tourists are going to be start returning back to Dubai because the summer session is over now. So the heat is going to start dying down, and those foreign investors are going to be coming back on foot in Dubai looking to make some strong investments. Okay. Now, what that means is that we're going to see another round of influx of cash coming in. I predict Q3 and Q4 combined with Q1 and Q2 of this year, overall, it's going to surpass last year's record. So that one, I think it was something in the billions of dollars that was done last time. It will definitely surpass it. So that's a key observation that you have to remember here. Another thing to understand is what is happening to the population. The population is still increasing. However, there has been a gradual decline. It's been not a decline, a slowing down that's happening. So does that mean that your investment is destroyed? No. All I'm trying to say here is that your investment's safe, appreciation is still there, but the Dubai has some fierce competition from other neighboring countries. So if there is a slowdown in the influx of people coming to this to the Emirate to stay and live here, that could be one of the contributing factors here. Everything else is the same, but there is stronger competition now from other markets, which are from neighboring countries. So this is a factor that we need to consider. Okay. Will the situation be improved? We yet to see how Dubai will respond to take this forward, how to reclaim this as their main goal to double the population. But right now we're still on track, but there's been a slight, you could say, slowness that just happened here. That's what I've heard, but we have to look for the official figures. But the official figures are all up and growing high as possible, then we know we're still on the right tracks. Okay. Now, the other thing to mention here is that there is going to be a point of a oversupply of apartments. It's about to happen. I think this is the first time that I'm going to see an oversupply of apartments coming within to the market. What that is doing right now is that people that are renting right now are actually asking for a lower rent, because what they're saying now is that there's a far more oversupply of apartments now. So why are you guys charging me 120,000 dirhams for a 2-bedroom? You should be giving me it for 100K. So what those good prices used to be back in the day, we'll start to see a return of that. And actually, this correction is a good correction to have. It's prices have been going steeply up for a long time, and in some cases they got to unrealistic areas, unrealistic margins, unrealistic levels. And we didn't need to reach those levels, to be honest. But now they should return back to something good. Something, you could say, the right amount, the right level. What that means for you is that there's a big opportunity there. That means people that used to run away from the skyrocketing prices into the other Emirates, Sharjah, Al Ain, or some of the other Emirates that you've heard of, they will be returning back to the center of Dubai. You're not hearing that on any other channel right now, are you? No. Those individuals shifted and moved to the other Emirates because of the skyrocketing rental prices. They couldn't afford to pay it. So they sit in the car every day, 1 to 2 hours, driving backwards and forwards in the rush hour, it is really busy. It's really, it's a very difficult situation. Those individuals want to move back now so they can take advantage of the low prices now of the rent. So that means that there's going to be an influx from other Emirates of people returning back to Dubai. So that means if you have property here and you're giving up for rent, of course the rent will be a little bit lower, but you will have guaranteed tenants within your apartments. I've seen situations whereby in some areas of Dubai, people have had lots of apartments available, but because the prices have been skyrocketing high, no tenancy. No one's living in the apartment. Not only are you losing money, but also it's wasted space. We don't need that. So now the prices, the market level will reach a good point, a good median, and everyone can actually profit from this. This is actually a good thing that's happened. So this is a good thing. The last thing I want to point out in this video is that stay tuned. You're going to see some very interesting projects coming up soon on the channel. Projects that I've not spoken about before. You might have heard me say Samana before on a couple of videos in terms of the discounts they're offering, but also when we're looking at some other interesting projects which are running about, which you might have not heard about. We've always focused on the big ones, Emaar, Damak, Bengati, and Shoba, but there are some other developers which are coming into that upper tier of development. And they should get a mention because it is commendable and they are becoming far more credible and their quality is absolutely exquisite now. Okay, so we'll be starting to look at that in a couple of videos, coming out very soon. Okay, and guys, please leave a comment down below in terms of whatever content that you're looking to see and to digest from this channel. So leave a comment down below. And as always, guys, if you're looking to shift out to Dubai and you want to do some sort of investment, my WhatsApp details are in the link in the description below. Click on it and you can have a discussion with me or one of my team members to see what we can do for you for your Dubai investment dream. Okay. And guys, as always, don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment, as I said earlier on, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're notified of all my videos that I'm publishing on a daily and weekly basis. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.